Hey guys, this is your friend Ram Rawat, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of AI Universe. So there are two options. The first one is AI Copywriter, where you can generate all your AI copies, and the next one is AI Image Generator, where you can create any kind of AI images and you can edit them further. So let's dive into the AI Copywriter first. If you see on the left, there are so many AI models, and these are main AI models that are listed here. You can start by creating the name of the campaign. So let's say I want to create a campaign in fashion, and then I'm going to select the template. So let's say I want to create a campaign in advertising and sales. Then I can select the sub template like ad script, Google ad, Facebook ad, advertising ideas, and so many subcategories of the templates are available. So it's totally up to you what kind of template you want to use, and you can check out the other templates as well. So for example, I want to create an article, and I'm going ahead with the article generator. So I've selected the template. Now I'll select the AI model. You can select the AI model directly from here, or you can select all the AI models directly from here. There are close to 40 plus AI models here. And as of now, I'll select, let's say I want to go ahead with Gemini, that is by Google, and I want to select one of these AI models, a variant of this AI model, that is Gemini 1.5 Pro. Now you see Gemini 1.5 Pro is selected here. Now I select the creativity. So there are four categories. I select premium. Now I decide the length of the article. Let's say I want to keep it 250 words long, and then the language. So there are so many language options. You can generate your article, your content, your copies in any of these languages. You can select any of the language. As of now, for demo, I'm selecting English. And then comes the really interesting part, the tone of your article, the professional, funny, casual, excited, and so many other options are there. As of now, I'm selecting professional. Now we enter our prompts. So I've decided this prompt: create a sustainable fashion awareness campaign. So that's my topic. This is a prompt I'm giving, and it should be an article, should be generated by 1.5 Pro. Now hit generate, and let's just wait for a couple of seconds, and our article will be ready really quick. You see, our article is generated with 1.5 Pro. Now what we can do, we can keep making changes. We can tweak this article by selecting all these options. There is rewrite, improve, add or change the emotion, or you can convert it into an email, social media post, video script, and a script for shorts, reels, and TikTok. So all these options are there. You can tweak it as per your requirements, or what you can do, the best part about AI Universe is you can generate the same article with a different AI model, and no AI application is doing that. There's the best part about it. You can leverage 75 plus AI models right from AI Universe dashboard. All you have to do is hit the compare button, and you can select any AI model from here, or you can select them directly from here. There are 40 plus AI models for you to compare the same article with a different AI model. So you can do that. So let's say, since our first article was from Gemini 1.5, let's say I want to generate an article with this time with Llama. So I've selected Llama. Now I can select the variant of Llama. There are so many here. So I've selected Instruct Turbo, and our AI model is selected. Now all I have to do is hit regenerate. And you see our new article is generated for the same prompt with a different AI model. So now the AI model is Llama 3.1, and earlier article was with Gemini 1.5 Pro. Now what we can do, we can still regenerate the article. We can still make changes to this current article. If you want to make changes to this article, you select this article. If you want to make changes to this article, you select this article. Let's say we want to make changes to this article. All we have to do is select this article, and we're going to go ahead with the tweaking option, and we can rewrite it, improve it, or change the emotion, uh, add or change the emotion, or we can convert it into email. So let's say I want to convert it, I want to change the emotion of this article, and let's say I want to make it excited, and all I have to do is select that tone, and then I hit regenerate, and we're going to get a new article really soon with excitement tone. And you see our new article is generated with the excitement tone. This is the new article, and that was the previous article that we took for reference. So this was in professional tone, this is in the excited tone. And similarly, we can keep making the changes from the tweak option. Let's say I want to convert it into email. I can do that. I can simply select the email option, and it will get converted into an email. So I hit regenerate, and this should get converted into an email. And you see our new article is got converted into an email. There's a proper email. Okay, looks good, right? Now let's say I want to generate the same article with another AI model. All I have to do is hit compare, and then I select a new AI model. So let's say I want to select this AI model this time, and all I have to do is regenerate. and you see our new article with a new AI model is ready to use, right? That's cool, right? You can keep generating your article in different AI models, right, by hitting compare option, and you can keep generating with different AI models. Really cool, right? Yeah. So that's from the text generation. Once you are done, you can hit the finish button, and you'll be taken to the view campaign where you can see all the history of the whatever you played with. Like this is a comparison you did. Then before that, you tweaked it into an email. Before that, you did change the emotion. You'll have complete history, and you can pick any of the content that you have generated in this campaign, and you can always check out your campaigns by going inside the view campaign option. So you can go here, you can view it directly from here, and if you want to make further changes, further corrections, you can hit the edit campaign, and it will be taking you to the last article that you have generated. From there onwards, you can keep making the changes. So that's from the AI copywriter. Now let's try AI image generator. It's a really, really cool tool. You select the AI image generator, and you'll be ending up here. Now you give the campaign name. So for example, I want to create a campaign based on yoga. Let's say yoga, and then I select the AI model. I can select it directly from here. For example, I want to generate first image from using OpenAI, and then I can select the variant of OpenAI. That is DALL-E 3. It got selected. Now I can select the art style, whichever art style you want. So as of now, I'm keeping it modern. Then I can select the lightning. There are so many options. It's totally up to you. I'm keeping it cinematic, and image resolution, I'm keeping the first one. Then the quality of image, there are two options. I'm keeping it standard. Now comes the mood. So you can select the mood of this particular image. So if there is a character or something, you can decide the mood of that particular character or image. As of now, since I'm planning to create something on yoga, so I'm keeping it, let's say, calm. And now I can add my prompt. So let's say health benefits of yoga. That's my prompt. And I hit generate. And then I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds, and my image will be generated. And our image is right here. So we used OpenAI DALL-E 3, and our image is generated. This is the first image we got. Now what we can do, we can generate the same image with a different AI model, or we can make changes with the same AI model. Like we can reimagine, remove the text, remove background, replace background. So all these corrections can be done with the same AI model. And now what we can do, we can generate the same image, same using the same prompt, but with a different AI model. So you select the compare button here, and then you can select all the other AI models. So for example, I want to go ahead with Leonardo this time. I selected the Leonardo, and then I can select uh, the particular variant. So I'm keeping it on this one, the first one, and then I hit the regenerate, and we're gonna get one more image that it will be with Leonardo AI. Now you can see the new image is generated with Leonardo AI, and you can see the first image is this one, and this is the new image generated with Leonardo. You can check it out here, and you see there are some text and everything, and this is the AI generated image, guys. So we have to make some changes or corrections. We can do that. Now let's say I want to make a small change. Let's say I want to remove all the text that is here. I hit the remove text option, and I select the remove text option, and I generate. So whichever image you want to make correction to, you have to select that image first. You selected this image, and then we hit regenerate, and now it is going to generate an image without text. And now you see all the text that was in this image got removed, and you can keep making all the changes that you want. And if you want to select generate a new image with a new AI model, you can select by selecting AI model. Let's say I want to go ahead with Flux, and I hit regenerate. Then we're going to see the new image that is generated with a new AI model, that is Flux. And you see Flux has generated a really, really cool image compared to Leonardo. See, this looks like a real cinematic and a real picture, which is really, really cool, guys. So you can keep changing the AI model, and you can keep generating the images. And once you are done, you can hit the finish button, and it will take you to the view campaign, and you can see all the images that you have generated so far. The first one was with OpenAI DALL-E 3, and this one was with Leonardo, which didn't come good, but the Flux generated a really, really cool image. I really like this image. I can use it anywhere in my campaigns, right? So you can again like check all your campaigns directly from here, like yoga, and you can view campaigns, view images, all the images, download them at a later stage, and you can keep coming back to the edit campaign and keep generating same images in the same campaign. So I hope you guys understood how this works.